If you're curious what's happening in our spring housing market, let's hear what a few of the experts have to say.
So it's no surprise the housing market's been through a lot of change in the last 10 months or so with the increase in rates. There's no surprise there. Some markets have declined in value. Other markets around the country have gone up in value. But let's hear what some of the experts have to say about what's going on in our current spring market. The first quote here is from Greg McBride. He's a financial analyst at Bankrate. He says, "I don't expect big moves in prices in the span of a month, but like the flower buds of spring, the housing market is showing signs of improvement. A pickup in activity with inventory still low does bode well for home prices." So I take that quote as he doesn't see any sort of house price crash coming anytime soon. What do you think, Julie?
I agree with that. We are certainly seeing that and feeling that here in San Joaquin County where we're at. Stockton Lodi market inventory has certainly gone down. And let's take a look at another senior economist, real estate expert, Jeff Tucker. He is a senior economist at Zillow. He states the market is still much friendlier this spring for buyers who can overcome affordability hurdles, but buyers are going to see more competition than they might expect because there are not many homes on the market to go around. New listings are increasing, which they almost always do this time of year, but not nearly as quick as usual.
So I feel like Jeff Tucker's quote directly relates to what we're seeing here locally in our Stockton market. I'm going to throw up a chart on the screen here, and this chart is the number of homes for sale that have come on our market. The green bars are the homes for sale on the market. And as you can see from basically October of last year to today, of March of 2023, the amount of homes for sale has declined each and every month. So we have 6 straight months of declining amount of homes on the market. And when they speak of more competition amongst buyers, this is the reason why, because our inventory levels here in Stockton are incredibly low.
So we can see how that low inventory has impacted home prices here in our area. Take a look at the chart here. The red line you see on the bottom is the average sold price in Stockton. So from late fall of last year, things dipped down, and you can see they are now on the rebound as evident in most recent months. So again, we have likely seen the bottom of the price drop according to these statistics. And if you are in the market to buy, I would not hesitate to do so.
So we have one last quote for you guys from Rick Sharga, and he says, "If you can find a home you love and can afford it at today's prices, don't wait. Home prices in most of the country are unlikely to crash, and mortgage rates will only come down very gradually if they decline at all this year." So the way I see it, with inventory as low as it is this spring, and the competitive nature of buyers coming out during this time of year with the lower rates, I don't foresee prices crashing anytime soon. In fact, they may even bump up a little bit as they did in February and March of last year.
Yeah, I think you really hit the nail on the head. If you find a home that you can afford at today's prices and that you love, by all means, go for it. If you guys have any questions about buying a home, the pre-approval process, and so forth, we're always here to help you and answer questions.
So what do you guys think? Where do you think the housing market is headed into summer? We'd like to hear your comments. Put those down right below in the comment section. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And lastly, you can also subscribe to our channel for all of our future videos. Thank you so much for watching.